Yes, indeed. Snow everywhere. Yeah, went at the playground over there, well, I don't know what the heck to say, but anyway, as I was saying though, went across the street and stuff like that. Went to the park down the street and stuff like that. Film everywhere. Film the snow here, the snow there. But it was one hell of a snowy night. One hell of a snowy night. Yes, indeed. Yeah, so I walked around and stuff like that. Filmed the city here, filmed the city there. Well, not in the CBD, All right. So taking them videos, pasting them here, posting them there, stuff like that. Yeah. I want to tell y'all, I really glad I took videos of it, but what I don't like is all that damn snow delaying traffic and stuff like that, and then the RTA buses was running slow, or should I say the city buses, Okay, I filmed the snow here in New Orleans on the Dominoes 7 show. I know some of you filmed the snow in other parts of Louisiana, okay? So I'm glad that snow is over with, though. I just hope I don't see no more, So, and so many people done lost power and stuff like that, I really didn't enjoy that. All right, then that's all. That's all I want to say. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show and stuff like that. Okay. Bye.